Team Inline Friendly. Beta versus Charlie. Wait lang po. Ano na? Abo. Okay, go. Go, service. Go.
Cancer.
Not over. Team Bravo. Team Bravo, service. Another point for Team Bravo. Bola daw. Team Charlie service. Nice service. Inside. That is inside. Inside. 3-1. Team Bravo to Sinet. And over. There's his team. Singapore. And now, Rogers. And over the hills. That's inside. Score is 3-2. Team Charlie service. Nice service. Pinalo. Touch. Score is 4-2. Team Bravo with 2. Service. Sinet. Oh, she just. And it's up. Outside. Okay, score is 5-2. Service is still Team Bravo. Johnson. Oh, that is the service is. Another point for Team Bravo. Team Bravo. Service, Team Bravo. Ingat po. Johnson, and it's not over. Service goes to Team Charlie. Quickly. Under serve. Not over. Another point for Team Charlie. Go Charlie. Service. Nice receive. Sinet. Pinalo. BIC. And suggests outside. Okay. Score is 7-4 in favor of Team Bravo. Team Bravo service. That is point goes to Team Charlie for 5 points. Service. Connect. Let me see. Whoop. That's a point for Team Bravo. service, Team Bravo. That's the service. Point numbers 9-5. In favor of Team Bravo. Service, nice to see you. Score goes to Team Charlie. That's inside. Score numbers 10-6. Lamang po ng apat, Team Bravo. Team Bravo service. That's not over. Point goes to Team Charlie. Team Charlie service. Yes, over. Team over. Then hey, nice one. Still good? Good. Cement.
Line ball.
Inside. Line man. Decision. Okay, corner goes to Team Charlie. Kapag kaninang dalawa ang Team Bravo, and that's totally outside. Okay, Team Bravo in service. Not over. Point goes to Team Charlie. Score is 11-9. In favor of Team Bravo. Lamang sila. 2 points. Team Charlie service. That's inside. I saw it. Okay. That's a short ball. Cement. Pinalo, right to play. Pinalo, Pinalo. Point goes to Team Bravo. 2-point lead. Service Team Bravo. Nice service. Oh. Oh my God, miscommunication. Score is 12-11. Nice service. Oh, not over. That is great. That one. All the ball, all the. Page lang down. Good. On the receive. Cement, Pinalo, touchdown. Check ball. Team Bravo only for 1 point. Service. That's outside. That's Stingray. Score is already. Lucky na po. Service, na-receive. Sumet. Oh. Nice save. Yeah. Side. 15-14. Sa dating service Team Bravo. Hey, nice receive. Submit. Oh, that went out. Point goes to Team Bravo. 2-point lead now. Nice service. Oh, score is 16-15. Okay, we're all time 17. Service Team Bravo. Service and nice receive. Number 5. Outside. Touchdown. Okay, Team Charlie. 3 tries. Honest. 17-18 in favor of Team Charlie. Oh, nice receive. That went out. No check. No check. Back out. Okay, working for Team Charlie. Nice service. Oh, it's miscommunication. Service Team Bravo, 18-19. Nice service. Oh, quick. Oh. Oh. Last 2 points. Safe service and over. Naghahanap ang Team Bravo. That is check ball. Last one for Team Bravo. Safe service. Nagpaplano ang Team Charlie. It's not over. GG, good game. Nice game, nice game. Aldo versus Delta. Okay, Delta.